क्योंकि अगर आप यूजर्स को जानेंगे, उनका बिहेवियर पहचानेंगे, तभी जाके आप उस तरह के solutions develop कर पाएंगे.
Exactly.
Right. So suppose your audience target, my target audience is, let's say 18 to 24, or let's say 26. So I need to understand my marketing policies should be designed and framed in such a way so that whenever I get in touch with my users, they find it relevant to their, as per their taste.
Exactly.
And preferences.
Exactly.
And their requirements. Okay. Only then people will engage with you. Otherwise, no. And in digital marketing, if you do not have proper engagement, rest you don't do anything. Exactly. Honestly speaking.
Exactly.
You made a very nice creative. You understand the nitty-gritty, the technicalities of, let's say, Google Ads, सर्च एड्स, ठीक है. लेकिन आपका रैंकिंग भी अच्छा है, आपका सीटीआर अच्छा है, आपका लैंडिंग पेज अच्छा है, कीवर्ड रेलेवेंस बहुत अच्छा है, बट स्टिल पीपल आर नॉट क्लिकिंग,
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Right. Your bidding price is low, but still you are not getting results. Why? Because maybe your solutions or products are not relevant or as per the taste of your audience. So in any kind of marketing, what matters is technicalities will be there. You cannot start digital marketing or practice digital marketing without implementing those technicalities. But the thing is, technicalities will keep changing with technology, with innovation.
Yes.
Right. So आज से 10 साल पहले, when I started digital marketing, when I started SEO.
Yeah, so sir, can you tell me, like, can you tell us, like, how you have started your career and moved from, like, from a fintech, from a finance company to completely into the digital domain, sir? So what was the reason behind it? Because that will be very much interesting that will be very much helpful for our students, sir.
That's actually a very fascinating story.
Yeah, please tell us, sir.
The thing is, I was into finance, guys, but I mean, 5 years of my career I spent in hardcore finance. I was an equity analyst in ICICI Bank.
Yeah.
And then after 2 years, I joined JP Morgan as a junior process analyst. And my responsibility were to, manage the operations, global operations.
Yeah.
Along with, I also have an objective to improve the existing processes, whatever I handle.
Okay.
Suppose I give you cash, I transfer you cash today, and because of some reasons, you do not get the cash on time. Okay. What happens if you do not get the cash on time? There is a market timing, there's a cutoff limit. Exactly. So if those gets violated, you are imposed financial sanctions. Apart from that, you will also have reputational loss.
Okay.
As a brand. So what possible ways I can think and implement things to bridge those gaps, for which when I send the transaction, transfer the money, and it was not deposited. You understand? So I have to find a way to see that when I transfer the money, it has to be deposited within a stipulated frame of time.
Yes, exactly.
Right. तो उस हिसाब से होता था. And guys, if you do not understand, or if I go a bit faster at times, please, raise your hand and ask me to pause.
Yes.
I'll repeat. No problem. So that was my financial segment में जो भी था 5 साल. इसके बाद I realized that this is not something which I would like to do for the rest of my days. And then I have some sort of skills in writing, and I started looking for jobs in agencies as a content writer. Finally,
agencies are like is based in Mumbai, like you have started?
Yes. I started from Mumbai 2005, and my first working day was 16th of August, I remember.
Okay, great.
So after that, I was looking for, after 5 years of financial experience.
Okay.
I was looking for a content writer's role in agencies.
Okay.
People are not used to accept. People never used to accept me after seeing my experience. Oh, you are a banker. You
Mm.
have such a huge package. We cannot afford you. You are, besides, your experience is not relevant. So a lot of rejection.
Yes,
But I
yes.
was like hellbent. No, if I have decided I'll go, I'll go.
Yeah. That was, I think, so it was your passion, right? Regarding
Yes, yes, yes.
content and
Basically, it was my passion.
passion.
Writing was my passion. It is my passion. In fact,
Yeah,
these days,
it is your passion.
yeah, Lalit would be knowing that.
Yeah, yeah. It's
So after that, I got an opportunity from a Pune-based agency.
great.
So IKF, the name of the agency was IKF. So he offered me, that person offered me, okay, fine, you don't have any experience, but I cannot pay you that high. But I accepted because I have to, get into somewhere and I want to prove my skills.
Great.
I was working and within 6 months, my salary was revised. Okay.
Great.
So I was there for nearly 2 years, post which I again got an opportunity from Bombay. That was Linterzat. I was hired in Linterzat as a senior content writer. And digital marketing during that time, I am talking about 2010, 11, was at a very nascent stage in India.
So even in Mumbai, it was like in national.
Yes, yes. Even in Mumbai and cities like Pune, digital marketing was not heard of. It was like an alien kind of a word.
Yeah.
So I got an opportunity from Lintersat as a senior content writer, and I came back to Bombay and I started working with Linters. I was there in Linters for 1.5 years. Post which I got an opportunity from Publicis Group, which is the second largest ad groups in the world. It's basically a
Okay.
French company, Publicis Group. So I
Great.
was there. This time I was there as a copywriter,
Okay.
senior copywriter,
Yes, yes.
and then
Copywriting is it's like it's related to content
it
or
is a part of
art
content. In
content.
fact, it's something like, I'll tell you,
Yeah.
uh, thumbs up, taste the thunder. It's a
Yes,
copy,
yes, yes.
right?
Yeah.
Or
Today, Tera
see,
hai aur mera hai, this kind of.
yes, bingo kind of.
So
Tera har par
these are ad copy. These are copywriting, sir, or what, sir?
Yes, yes, copywriting.
Okay.
These are copy. These are called copy. Sometimes we
Okay.
call that tagline. Sometimes we call that punchline. Basically,
Okay.
these are copy.
Okay. Okay.
So
So I
I
think
was there as a
those,
senior
those
copywriter.
who can write copywriting for or those who are copywriter, I think they are very well paid in agency. Like
Yes,
what
yes,
your suggestion?
very much.
Very much.
You go to big agencies. I
Yeah.
mean, like they pay you well because you know what, that copy will decide the fate of your products or services.
Yes. 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 So today, sir, I have one basic question. Like, I think our students can relate with them. Like today, as we are doing on landing pages, or like as we you have done for Jetwings, like the career Uran ka. So I think that is like a copyright, sir, or that is a
Yes, yes, yes. And
career Uran
I'll
ka,
tell
and that
you, if you go to our web page and if you
yes,
see the first banner,
beyond, yeah, beyond anything.
beyond anything, above everything,
Okay, okay. So that's the
that is
messaging
copy.
which we give to your audience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Means by this, I mean to say that my brand is beyond anything.
Okay.
We are not in the competition. We are way
Yeah.
above the competition
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
above everything. Like
Exactly.
we are beyond competition and beyond everyone.
Yes.
So the way I position it, people try to perceive it brand that way.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
ठीक है, और ये गलत फहमी है कि चलो ठीक है, आज मैं शुरू कर रहा हूं, मैं अभी ऐसा रखता हूं अपने ब्रांड को, बाद में चल के मैं ऐसा बनाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay.
If you want to establish a brand, from the day one you have to be very specific what you need and which segment of customers you would like to reach.
मतलब from the day one, so you are saying that if you want to
From the day
communicate your
one,
brand,
from
then
the day one.
from day one, na? Marketing.
Okay, we have a few more people coming in, and who is this?
Yes, there are lots of
Singh?
people. Yes.
Okay, Amit Singh, to I know. All right, okay. So yeah, so then it was like I served as a, I mean, copywriter in Publicis Group. Post that, I joined O&M,
Okay.
Ogilvy and Mather. I think, I mean, I do not know how many of them will know this brand O&M. It
Yeah.
is said in advertising world that it's a dream to work with O&M.
Exactly.
So
Exactly,
I
sir.
was there as a group copy head, which
Okay.
means I used to take care of entire South and Western zone. David Ogilvy, he
I think
was
it's one of the
basically,
best brand, no, sir, in advertisement
he was the master of copywriter,
copywriter.
and he's the best. He's considered to
Yeah,
be the best.
exactly. And it's one
The
of the best advertising agency, I think, in the world, no, sir. It's
yes, O&M is the best.
Ogilvy and the best. Okay. So
So you
I
get
have
to
one
work with
question,
them.
like for here, like as there are lots of people who are you are saying that they are the like one of the legendary kind of guy in this advertising industry, and so like if the all the students which are like just starting their career. At this point, so what are the like that ingredients to be to become legendary in this industry? Is it like to understand technicalities about the platforms or about on the digital platforms, or let's say it's about the understanding of human psychology, understanding arts, understanding human. So what is the matlab, ingredients to become a best marketer in India, or you can say in world?
Okay. See, it's a very, how should I approach this question is, first of all, you talk about technicalities, that what are the things that are essential for our digital marketing professional to get to that level.
Yeah.
Instead of that, I'm just tweaking your question and just, advising all our students how to approach first to be a digital marketer. Once you be a digital marketer, then you go for excellence. Then you go think for, O&M kind of thing, or Piyush Pandey kind of thing. See.
Okay, that means you are saying that first understand the digital platforms, the technicalities, that what are the tools available and what that can do, and then like you develop the skills and abilities to convert your ideas into that means from that platform to your customer. So that was your whole concept.
Yes, and before, in fact, even before that, you need to first understand marketing. Fine. Without marketing, if you understand all the technicalities, you will always remain a technical person. Trust me.
Yes.
You will never be a strategic person.
Yes, that's a very.
You will never be a decision maker.
Yes.
Fine. Because as I said earlier, technicalities keep on changing.
Yes, it's very true. It's very true. Today's
you see, from 2011 till 2020.
Yeah.
Do we practice the same kind of technicalities what we used to practice in 2010, in 2020? No.
No, exactly.
Because in SEO, first when I joined, it was like I used to punch in like 5 to 8 keywords in a 500 word length article.
Yeah.
Right? Because that time Google's algorithm used to behave differently.
Yes, exactly.
Now, after Panda update, then came your Penguin update. Half of the SEO black hat practices, were abolished.
Exactly.
Secondly, when 2015, I guess, when they introduced the RankBrain, Google's RankBrain algorithm, which is the AI-based algorithm. So that was a massive change. All the business houses were struggling for ranking, for their, the ranks were plummeted, fell down. Why? Because they were not doing SEO properly the way it should have been done. So this changes of frequency Google carries out every year. Last year, nearly 3,200 such technical changes Google carried out.
Okay.
Right. Out of that, some were significant and some were not that significant.
Right.
But now, a couple of weeks ago, I read that Google is going to, make one more core change in their algorithm, which is very big in terms of its impact, and business entities will see their ranks are fluctuating due to this change. Nothing to worry, but if you are not adhering to those guidelines, you will be end up doing some kind of grave mistakes. Now, coming back to your question, Lalit, as you asked, first, as I was saying, that you need to understand marketing first before you understand digital marketing.
Right.
See, marketing has changed, right? Marketing has changed because users have changed, users' preferences have changed. And the way we used to behave earlier, our generation back in 90s or in early 2000, and this generation is entirely different. We never found mobile in our hands till the time 2005, 6, 7, I don't know. I mean,
Yeah.
After that, this digital revolution happened, then the social media revolution happened, then there are a lot of touch points.
Yeah.
Earlier, your touch points were limited. Only it was restricted to radio, television, and mass media.
Yeah, mass media.
Yes, print media and electronic media. Now it has come to your digital space, in your hand, on demand kind of a thing. You will decide what you would see, you would consume that sort of a content.
Exactly.
You understand, right? तुम्हें YouTube में तुम जाते हो, तुम्हें कोई वीडियो पसंद आता है, हम लोग देखते हैं, हम लोग को पसंद नहीं आता है, we just skip. What it means? It means people's consumption of content behavior is changing, right? And it's happening all over the world. Instagram, IGTV. Why IGTV? Instagram has launched IGTV. You know why? Because these people are eyeing for $72 billion advertising industry in the US. Within the next 5 years, they are saying that this industry will be wiped out. तुम लोगों में से मुझे बताओ, कितना जन टीवी कितना घंटा देखते हो आजकल, और YouTube में कितना ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, सोशल मीडिया में कितना ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, कंटेंट कंजम्पशन कहां से ज्यादा तुम लोगों का होता है?
देवजीत, tell us.
मेरा तो स्पेशली सर आपका YouTube ज्यादा प्रेफरेबल है, तो Instagram में जब से मतलब ये मार्केटिंग ज्वाइन किया है, तो जस्ट आई एम डूइंग ए बिट ऑफ Instagram एंड Facebook. तो इन प्रीवियसली मैंने मतलब कुछ actually I skipped all the social medias for at least 3 to 4 years back. So it's a new. Why?
Heartbreak kind of a thing?
No, that's not a better, because I found it like it's an abstract thing. You can't find means a real or kind of natural things in Facebook or in social media. So kind of abstract thing for me, but.
Okay. But again, you came back to your Insta, right?
Yeah.
And you.
Yeah, all social platforms.
All social platforms. So what it means, finally, you are consuming content through digital, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm sure if I go each and everyone, so they will have their own story, like how they consume content. But since time is limited, we cannot do that.
Yeah.
So what happens is that, see, now the thing is, the content consumption behavior has changed for all of us. So where do we need to present us? Where do we need to communicate as a marketer? Where my audience is hovering, right? तो क्या होता है कि हम लोग, अगर आप कुछ सोशल मीडिया पे मुझे पता है कि मेरा टारगेट, मैं बिस्किट बेचता हूँ, लेट्स से, राइट? चलो ठीक है, मैं चॉकलेट बेचता हूँ, अच्छा चॉकलेट, कस्टमाइज चॉकलेट, नाम के साथ, फोटो के साथ मैं बेचता हूँ. दैट इज माय नीश सेगमेंट. ठीक है, मैं दुकानों में अपना चॉकलेट नहीं बेचूंगा. लॉजिस्टिक, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, बहुत कुछ चेन है, मुझे वो सब नहीं करना है, मगजमारी, और नहीं तो मेरे पास इतना पैसा है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं जस्ट आई विल मेक श्योर कि मेरा एक छोटा सा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट हो, सो दैट माय चॉकलेट्स कैन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. दैट इज एसेंशियल फॉर मी. और प्रोड्यूस होने के बाद मुझे कहीं पे बेचना तो होगा ना, लोगों को बताना तो होगा ना कि दीप चॉकलेट प्रोड्यूस करता है अपने घर के पीछे एक रूम में, और कस्टमाइज चॉकलेट है, अलग से थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर्स है उसका, तो लोगों को पता होगा तभी ना लोग मेरे पास आएंगे खरीदने के लिए. Right. So I have to create a platform for that so that I can, launch my products and can reach, let's say, 500 people to let them know कि मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ services है, products है. Right. So what do I do? I opt for digital because my marketing cost
will be cheaper.
It will be, I won't say cheaper, but I would say optimum.
Yeah, optimum and obviously targeted.
Yes, and target oriented. मुझे पता है कि मैं अगर मतलब 60 रुपया का अगर सर्च एड, फॉर एग्जांपल हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, 60 रुपये का अगर सर्च एड करूँ तो उस सर्च एड में मुझे कितना हिट्स आया, कौन कौन लोग क्लिक किया, राइट. सो आई कैन मेजर एवरीथिंग. आई कैन मेजर माई मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट, माई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट. उस हिसाब से मैं प्राइसिंग अपना चेंज कर सकता हूँ.
Yes, exactly.
Right. So now you see how marketing is important. Right. So you need to understand marketing first.
Exactly.
So इसलिए आप लोगों को कोई भी पैरामीटर में आप लोग करो स्पेशलाइजेशन. Like for me, I'm a specialized in content marketing. I'm a HubSpot certified content marketer. Okay. After that, I got a content, PG diploma in content from Simply Learn. तो my specialization is into that. तो मुझे पता है कि कोई अगर प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास आ रहा है, कोई सर्विस अगर मेरे पास आ रहा है, तो किस तरह से उसको कम्युनिकेट करना so that it triggers my audience. ठीक है
Deep sir, we have around more 10 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes. So what we can do कि like there are a lot of students है जो आए हैं, तो इनके पास कुछ अपना कुछ questions भी होंगे regarding career and digital marketing के related. So I think we should like allocate next 5 to 10 minutes for the questionnaire. I think that will be better.
Yes.
Right. Every ताकि हर कोई आपसे personally interact कर सके and उनके मन में जो questions हो. And students, if you have any questions, because he is the digital marketing manager at one of the biggest brand in Northeast India in JetWings in education sector. So he has a wonderful experience at the work culture. So if you want to know anything that after my course completion के बाद, like what are the things that जो तुम्हारे मन में questions है, you can freely ask, so that you will have all the answer right now. So you can start with Joel or what are the names available. You can start the questionnaire. No?
Okay, sir. I would like to ask a technical type of question. Yeah. In digital marketing, sir, which part is the hardest part to learn, and it will be more profitable? Like SEO part, content part. I mean, which part?
Yes. I got your answer. See, consider digital marketing as a cogwheel. Like you have seen cogwheel?
No.
Okay, forget it. Let's say digital marketing is our solar system.
Yeah.
Right? Where sun is the center, and in digital marketing, audience is at the center. Because whatever we do, it's all around the audience. Right? And here you have like SEO का समझ लो Saturn, फिर आपका है social media समझ लो Mercury. So these are the components of that solar system. Now, in order to operate the solar system in a proper manner, what is needed? It's not needed कि सिर्फ अर्थ ही अपने वो 29 डिग्री एक्सिस में घूमता रहे. कल अगर जुपिटर का मतलब घूमने का मतलब जो जिस रफ्तार से घूम रहा है उसका अगर फोर्स ज्यादा या कम हो गया, then it will may collide with some other planet, and then there may be a fusion or fission kind of a reaction, and the whole solar system gets imbalanced, right? So in digital marketing, same concept. आपका SEO भी जितना important है, आपका social media भी उतना important है, आपका content marketing उतना important है, analytics plays a vital role in digital marketing. So everything has its own importance and own significance. So we cannot say as a marketer that this is the most important part. No, every part is important.
And I think, sir,
Firstly.
Dipsa, I just want to add one thing, if you allow us.
Yes, sure.
That you have very nicely said that every part is important. It's not that that any single part is important or it's hard. And and about the profitability and all about earning is that I think Dipsa, that if anyone can do it better, like if anyone is good at SEO, he can earn that amount of money. And if someone is good at social media marketing, only thing is that you have to be like legendary. That's what just sir said, that there are few people who are legendary in copywriting. So he's obviously that job is hard, but he's earning wonderful. If someone is good at social media marketing, then obviously that is also hard. It's not easy. Nothing is easy in this world. And I think that you can also earn a huge profit if you are good at social media marketing. So sir has very nicely said and given an example related to this.
So I also would like to extend this a bit further. Like as he asked, the most difficult part of digital marketing, honestly speaking, it is the analytics part, because you have lots of data, but because you need to understand which part of data is relevant to you.
It's the core. Yeah.
आप समझ रहे हो? आपके पास हजारों डेटा होंगे. ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट में सोचो, एक दिन में उन लोगों को लाख, 10 लाख, 15 लाख, 20, 25, 70 लाख, यहाँ तक कि करोड़ों में जाता है हिट्स.
Yeah, exactly.
How do you understand their users behavior, their preferences? How do you decide? There are certain parameters. You don't need to look everything. You need to understand where your revenue is coming from.
Exactly.
So concentrate on that. Where you are, and also there's one more understanding these days marketers are practicing, and even I also support that as a marketer. Like, you cannot do marketing without servicing. Trust me, because सर्विस से पता चलता है लोगों का पेन पॉइंट्स क्या है.
Sir, we have to keep it fast. We have only 3 to 2 minutes more.
Okay. Any more questions?
Joel, do you have any question? David?
Yes, sir, I want to ask one question.
Yes.
Keep it fast, okay? Because I think everyone should get chance, no?
What are the qualities that I can gain and skills that I can gain that will help me differentiate myself from other Google Ads manager?
First of all, I would recommend you, not only you, to everyone whosoever is practicing digital marketing, that every day make 2 hours of dedicated reading. Okay?
Yes.
Do you follow SEJ, Search Engine Journal? Do you follow Social Media Examiner? Do you follow HubSpot? Do you follow some of the biggest SEMrush is a very good platform to learn things from. So okay. These are the things you need to understand. There are lots of nice videos on YouTube. Do you know who is Brad Geddes? He's the top SEO master in the world. Brad Geddes. ठीक है, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. You follow those people. You know who is Neil Patel? Yeah. SEO. He is a legendary person. ठीक है, learn from the masters. And one more thing. Please do not follow Indian self-acclaimed digital masters. If you want real digital kind of certification which are valued in the industry, in the market, currently it is Simplilearn. One is there, it's very good.
So we are also giving certification.
हाँ, तो ये सब अच्छा है. HubSpot.
Yeah.
These are some of the well-recognized places from where you should be doing.
Yeah, we provide HubSpot certification and other Google certification. Those things we like. We provide those kind of certification. So like sir, there are one girl also I think वो join की है. It's related Barsa. So I think एक last question sir एक लड़की से ले लेते हैं sir. I think that would be okay.
It should be gender equal. Yeah.
Hello, hi Barsa.
I think she's mute. She kept her.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Barsa. So like just हम लोग wind up ही कर रहे हैं. We are winding up our session. So
okay,
since last में I hope so you can ask the last question. Anything related to career, or I think you want to start your sir. She wants to start an advertising agency after completing this course. So just ask him anything regarding your career.
Okay, so Lalit, you are already in the competition then.
Yeah. So actually, we are training them. Actually, we are training them. We are providing workforce to our competitor. But that's what actually we wanted, sir, in 2016. That so that we can have a competition. That's why we started.
Sir, actually, I want a career in SEO field.
Hmm.
So I want to know that how can I start where should I apply and how much experience do I need for that?
Okay, before applying, I mean, out of 10, how much, what kind of, ratings you will give yourself in terms of SEO knowledge, SEO technicalities, SEO
Sir,
understanding?
as I am a fresher, I don't have much knowledge, but as much as I have learned, I think I can give myself 6 or 7.
6 or 7?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your Penguin? Which year Penguin update came and what it was?
Sir, actually, I have knowledge regarding the thing that what is on-page SEO, how to get backlinks. That much knowledge only I have.
Okay, backlinks. So give me, Barsha, give me at
Yes,
least three good ways to get quality backlinks, quality relevant contextual backlinks. How do you get?
Quality backlinks. Sir, first we know. सर उसके लिए पहले तो हमें चाहिए होगा कि हम बैकलिंक्स के लिए अपना कुछ एक अच्छा आर्टिकल ले लें. एक आर्टिकल अपने लिखनी चाहिए, 2-4 आर्टिकल अपने होने चाहिए पेज के लिए. उसके बाद फिर हम जिस टॉपिक पे लिख रहे हैं उसी टॉपिक के बेसिस पे हमने दूसरी कोई वेबसाइट या कोई और है उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करके उनका भी ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहिए कि क्या हम आपके बैकलिंक को यूज कर सकते हैं, वो करना चाहिए.
और ये अगर मना कर, एक मिनट बच्चा, उसने अगर मना कर दिया तो
सर अपना कंटेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए, चांसेस कम होंगे कि वो मना करे.
हाँ, ठीक है. See, to be very, no, why I was asking you this, why, don't feel bad. I was asking you these things because, see, you need to understand, since your objective is to run a digital company, establish a digital agency, which is a very good thing. Now, you need to understand the business part of it beyond your technicalities. Okay? And most importantly, I mean, how do you start it? You will have a better idea on this. I mean, how do you start a business or a setup that you obviously you need to, you have to have your capacity analysis, capacitization of work, how many people you would be recruiting, things like that. Those are on business fronts. But in terms of like, if you want to start your career as an SEO analyst or SEO specialist, so then what I advise is that first you get certified from a industry recognized entity, then you gain some kind of experience, and then you present yourself to the market. I'm sure you will definitely get it. That's not a big issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So I think we should wind up right now.
Okay.
Thank you, Deep sir, for your.
Yeah. Thanks all for joining me.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yo. Bye bye.
Yeah. Take care.